guys, it's Katie from Cerebrium Studio, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can use artificial intelligence in your social media content. This is going to help you create more engaging and dynamic content that is going to put you ahead of the game. Specifically, I am referring to some AI technology that has been built into a website called Cerebrium Studio in the form of a tracking device. Cerebrium software allows you to create 4 different versions of your original video, and all of these different versions are appropriate for any social media platform. So here's how it works. You create a video that you love and you film that video in either a horizontal aspect ratio, a vertical aspect ratio, a square shaped aspect ratio, a semi-vertical aspect ratio, whatever aspect ratio it is that you film it in. And you realise that you would like to put this video on multiple different social media platforms. You'd like to put it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, any social media platform that you desire. But you've realised that you filmed this video in a vertical format, so you can't really put it on YouTube without losing some of the quality because YouTube supports a horizontal format. Or you filmed the video in a horizontal format and you want to put it on TikTok, but that's going to ruin the quality as well because TikTok is a vertical format. So you basically need to transform your video into a completely different shape and size for it to be appropriate for these social medias. Cerebrium's video editor automatically makes these transformations for you. All you have to do is select the aspect ratio that you would like to transform your original video to, and Cerebrium does all the work for you. Cerebrium offers artificial intelligence within their software in the form of tracking device, and this tracking device allows you to select a person or an object within the original video that you've created, so that in all of the new videos that are created in the different aspect ratios, the person or the object within the video will always stay in frame and you will never lose the focus of your original video, and therefore you'll be able to convey the messaging that you're trying to convey no matter what the size or shape of the video. If you filmed a video horizontally just like this one and you have someone speaking in the video just like this one, you would select the person in the video you would like the attention to always be on, and then when Cerebrium software automatically transforms this video to a vertical video, it will ensure that this person is always in the frame and you're not losing out any of the information that you're trying to convey. A great example of this is also if you are filming a dance video. You're not as interested in things going on in the background as you are the person actually dancing. So if you select the person who's dancing to be the focus of the video, it will follow them wherever they move across the video and you will not be losing again any of that very important content that you have filmed. I am going to show you a quick demo now on exactly how to do this on Cerebrium Studio's video editor, so you can see how quick and easy this software is to use. You can open up your account and search Cerebrium and go to cerebrium.com. You then upload the video that you would like to track or add artificial intelligence to. As you can see here, I've used a video of a model walking along a catwalk, and I'm just going to be using the purple cropper tool to select specifically areas of the video that I would like to make sure are tracked throughout the video. So I'm essentially tracking the model in the video and making sure that the video is going to capture her and focus on her so that none of the detail of the video is lost. Once I've done this, I simply click on Make on the upper right hand corner, and then I'll be taken to a page which will show me the original version of my video and the newer tracked version of my video. If something hasn't quite worked out, I can go back, edit the original video and make it look better. However, I'm happy with this. I'm then going to be taken to the video editing page where I can make any additional edits to the video that I may so wish. Once I'm happy with my edits, I'll click on Preview in the upper right hand corner, where I'll be taken to this page which will allow me to download as many versions of my video as I would like, and it will be emailed directly to the email associated with my Cerebrium account. It also offers a 2-week free trial, so I will leave all the links down below if you'd like to check out the editor for yourself. You can let us know what you think about the software down in the comments below, give us any feedback that you might have, and you can also head over to our other social medias. We're on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, as we are always posting helpful tips and tricks on how to be the best content creator possible and how to improve your video editing skills and become more professional. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.